When the mountain touches the valley, all the clouds are taught to fly. Thus our souls will leave this land most peacefully. Though our minds be filled with questions, in our hearts we'll understand when the river meets the sea.
Like a flower that has blossomed into dry and barren sand, we are born and born again most gracefully. Thus the winds of time will take us with a sure and steady hand when the river meets the sea. Patience, my brothers, and patience, my son, in that sweet and final hour, truth and justice will be done.
Like a baby when it is sleeping in its loving mother's arms. What a newborn baby dreams is a mystery.
But his life will find a purpose, and in time he'll understand when the river meets the sea. When the river meets the almighty sea.
We hope you enjoyed the video. To see more of our amazing content, click on that subscribe button.
Oh, don't forget to tell them to click the bell so they can receive notifications.
Oh, right, what she said. And be sure to follow on Twitter, too.
And like us on Facebook.
Right, and remember, stay awesome.
We are so awesome.
We sure are, Mac. We sure are.